loaded Glock in my coupe. Fuck around and I'ma turn the niggas down when I shoot. I see niggas switching up like they Reggie Boot. When I feel of my curtain, when she let it loose. They don't know I got a fully loaded Glock in my coupe. Fuck around and I'ma turn the niggas down when I shoot.
Ela yaspano la ndoda yaspana kulalo la.
Sega coat by the cloth, mean another coat by your cuff. I'm a demigod, not father, and the daily killers don't die. If I think I like it, no shower. Time is money, I want more hours.
Okay, let's do the other one.
Okay.
Record chance name, please. Please. Record and cut the chance.
Uzithola like loko nifuna inamba inithole ngaboma-3 noma ngaboma-4 inamba khona izohlala up until ngaboma-7 lokhu iyapheka kwenziwani up until iziphume and then sokhathele kusasa nakhona kusesenjalo.
Ngiyabaqetha. Space sami siphela lapho manje.
More special ama-music asanza man yo like awuthatha isikhathi ukuthi umuntu aklike nawo so kuyaspana ndoda kuyaspana.
Yeah, ndivuyile round 2 round. Ha, manje ngiphethe break race. Labi niyavuma, ndivuma kuphela nithi yes. Nigqokela ayas. Sazaro, yithini dlozi?
I remember around that time, izinto bezibheda. Izinto bezibheda blind and obviously besinesikhathi esimele after the video popped and it did what it did. So besinesikhathi esimele obviously khona and it was that thing ukuthi he's gonna send it the day he wants to send it.
After Cecil told after that probably it's not gonna happen. But after I got to Gulfag, but said it was worth the wait.
Yes. They don't wanna drama with a veteran, they try to get rid of it. My personal bubble that they living in. You know, here to be spinning if you try to get it in. My nigga, I'm blessed with a spirit, you can't intimidate. Feeling like 50 Cent, pissing on many man. I spit fast, your line green, meridian. It take guts and will to lead the citizens. I'm ready like Moses in the book of Leviticus.
When he finally sent the verse, like, everything just changed.
Yeah.
Understand? Because now, I'm still an upcoming artist. Big feature, scooped the big feature from Black Laser. When it was nice. I was so happy. Even now, I'm still happy because this bar is chunagale after that. Even though peaceful lockdown, but isn't those bar is nings dizenzagale as a boosty career. I'm namachita.
Having to do a song, not Black Laser, and also produce a song. It's a very beautiful feeling.
Oh fuck no, we gonna play that again.
Damn,
yo, we
son,
gonna play that
where'd you
again.
find
Yo,
this?
listen, yo.
Listen. I was so happy. I got so emotional. I even shed a tear, I think, with Umeni, first time. I was so happy for him with the progress that he was making, first time. So it was just a roller coaster, and it was. But the most amazing thing about it was that it was a dope verse,
I'm talking about the real crazy song featuring Black Les.
Black Les. I know the shy.
Yes.
Yo. Afana manje hiyo ngele.
I'm telling them stuff sato, no born them telling them satlo to man belele pebeza sabaso entlex and telling them sampaso.
Him doing that, our hands-on in terms of communication, helping out, promo and all that, like, it showed, like, even proud in a way, which it comes with Spanish is chunayo. Siaya like Melissa Code.
Paper, sheshakeza, ngizokulanda later, beba skeja, now celebrate, na maheda, wokesia, wopeta. Baby, I know you're the one, skin shine brighter, see the moon in your eyes. Kyokuse kubenini, sugu nasenini. Tanda wena, mfuna wena, and you're the only one, I swear, they're common. Tanda wena, mfuna wena, and you're the only one, I swear, they're common.
Music uphuma Lokshin Hustle has way better quality and has way better sense and it's very much, the foundation is very much gassy and it's real. So he related to abantu ababhaya Lokshin. Related to abantu ababhaya of 472 esiyabuzwa.
I promise to love you forever. And I promise that there ain't no better.
Lokshin Hustle music. The sooner you enter the gate, nje ungena uzospana namla. Guthi uyikwaito artist, trapper, rapper, whatever that. You shake 18. Mongena ngai, we do music. So guthi trapper or kwaito artist or whatever. At the end of the day, it's music. So if you can connect with the sound, is over grand. Those who don't connect with the sound, I always try to figure a way. Ukuthi okay ntwana, yabona mongai bamba so, yabo or wangena so, just maybe mumble nje ngithi flow.
Stop. Her name is Usbonelo Lucas. She's a very talented and outspoken young woman who has raised her voice against gender-based violence.
Stop, get off of me. Get off of me. I chant, but my cries fall on deaf ears, so I stop. I stop crying. I stop begging as life leaves my body. You say you love me, but is this the love that I deserve?
Actually, you came up with the idea.
When we spoke about doing something, as I'm Konwenzingo, I didn't have any inspiration for a song, but what came to me naturally was being able to write a poem, which was interesting because I hadn't written a poem since 2010.
Mina, when Angela Guti, okay, she also did poetry, I wasn't surprised, you understand? Because already she can write her own songs, you understand? So, for Mina, you're not writing poetry. For me, in day one, it's just that the instrumentals there, and it's recorded and all that.
Stop.
If you meet someone who's actually a victim, you feel like too much, it hits nangaho, and then it makes you think, okay, what kind of a man am I, maybe, and what kind of children am I going to raise? So you as how are you going to make sure you raise a young man who's going to understand that women must be respected?
Cycle on a 2x2. Call up my jam, stuck with you, my baby boo.
It's gonna be me and you. Won't get it out, but can't you ever do that too?
I'm so complete. Would you give me a second, please? Some complete.
Yeah, baby girl, punch walk on pay. And I dog with a bad thing, cause I like lock chain with a bunch of tape and a quadret nigga. And I hope young feel.
And I hope young feel, I'm a loving young tip. I'm still a manga so cute to the tip. Kosh, I'm a kota man, baby, so keep. No manga bakota calamari for a team.
Baby, man, wanna win. Moya wamo, uya kulu leg and tell niggas cutting is of Fogozella. La baba no more, no sabas to mess.
I'm Bambi Sanja, sit to Kulega. This piece of some is to treat you better. I'm high on love, I'm Safunuk Pem. I'll do it, but I'm seeing you clever.
One thing I'm learning now about the game is that the more hard work you put in, and then the more you go out and hustle for the hard work that you've been putting in, it pays off.
See, baby boy, the day we met, I felt the star shine on my face. And I swear to you, my love is true, and nobody gon' take your place.
Cycle on a 2x2. Call up my jam, stuck with you, my baby boo.
With the line. I think it's spoon. Bacho, hayi mngandelo uyibeka straight. Ngiyayibeka la ngivula igembe enye. Ngithi uyabona wenzani?
Senza on the beat, baby.
Hawutshale ndibulindile kwaphela iminyango uhambile Jale ndibulindile kwaphela iminyango uhambile Uzongithola ngiflome emlanjeni Uzongithola ngiflome emlanjeni
I remember usanza makayicala wathi ufuna usidlala something different.
Yeah.
Ufuna ukusikhipha quiet usidlale something yana different.
We're not going for the usual stuff. We're not going to the kwaito or hip hop. No, we're doing something different today. It's like, hey, we just want you to play as beats, baba.
Okay, beat besilfila, but then we had no idea ukuthi kwenzakalani. But lalo kadlala beat, we came up with a hook. Before in the Wulindile, there was a hook.
Thank God I'm somebody. That was the whole concept of the song. So, like, as he was playing the beat, and we felt it, like it was going there. Thank God I'm somebody. Yeah. So we had this idea, and then we tried recording it. ASPs.
Bapemile lapho. Laba seba perform and thina split. Qhubeka. Manje manje na record. Beza nama chorus nje number ngafeel but then nayo beat lakhona bebangalifeel. So bangala baze bangala same day.
Did like 4 hooks I think on that beat. Tried like 4 hooks, one king piece. Nah. Even this one, I will be straight up honest. Even the hook itself, Yendi Wulindi, I was a bit skeptical about it. I was like, and Sansa came was like, yo. Yeah, I need to finish this song.
Ithema ingena nje kuphela nje already bese bathatha amafoni babhala ama verse.
I remember many verse lami yo bengazi nokuthi ngiyothini.
Yeah,
because like ngiyacula, like I had to sing. Usanze what no. Mele says something different. Singa rap.
Yeah.
The only person emela rap umgozolo kuphela because
yena voice.
Yeah, voice yakhe. And then we had to think, but then again angifuna amaline abhaya just nje 4 line machita.
Aneke mina leyo ngibamba ke sengiqedile nge16 lami ngiyabona la siba crazy nani. Oh, ngifela bathi
ngifuna 4 line kuphela ukuyaleya.
Skanda sami sakudala alento yethu love sayidala wena ungobambo lwami wena uzolala la
Let me go.
All right, kuthi kulindile si picture upop yabona.
Oh yeah.
Minjani?
Bakwethu ibizo lami ngithando Mahlangu, I do more and I talk less. Indebele activist ngiyagwala. So namhlanje la akwandrema namhlanje lapha kuzokhethwa imbatho ivunulo for abofezela engoma abo bafishara khona uBob Mabena and coming get by the way yeah camera Ncobile Masuku
bese check izinto esizogcoka for i-video yethu esiyishoota next Thursday yabona because besifuna ukuthi si-add something nyana esindebele cultural nyana yabona so sila kuthando for check izinto ezifana nalezo yabona so Maria sizitholile sokugreen
yazi mara engenihlezi ngikubadisa khaya
Okay.
khanda
Okay, va.
Indaba le ithome ku Twitter yabo lokho nabaceda ukwenza ingoma le bano Blacklist anyway besiloke si retweetelana ngoba sibuya kwaNdebele sonke so amajita push into a grand nathi retweeter si poster si retweeter so now wangiphosa nge DM yabona ngivezela ukuthi no man banekareko ukuberegisa ezinye zembatho sizenza njengoba nathina sikwala so hayi ngakhuluma ne-business partner ami uNcobile Masuku hey
busy like serious
Hello.
Susibona, bona. Hello.
Sweetie, get tough. Senza on the beat, baby.
Hawutshale ndibulindile kwaphela iminyango uhambile Jale ndibulindile Eliminyako wambile uzongithola ngiflome emlanjeni uzongithola ngiflome emlanjeni uzongithola ngiflome emlanjeni uzongithola ngiflome emlanjeni tshela mina kathi kwenze njani mabe isikhathi sambile dala ngikulindile uzongithola ngiflome emlanjeni
Ehlala phansi thana, ekhokha umoya sithanda Bamba ihlombe lami, ungabanaki la Mina nawe singamathe nolimi Kunye kudala ngizovuna kule nsimi
So we always try to raise the bar. So sispanela direct, sine pressure a bar. So we always make sure whatever track we drop, let it be at least something hot. Obviously, because there is a room for that. You know, you must leave room for that. But then, sispana ngama hoso ukuthi abantu bazoyifrustana le namba le. And so, sekatelela mix master and then drop the track.
Like Lokshin Hustle. Into engiyibonile lapha like engayithanda na the first day ngifika lapho bekuthi kuyasetshenzwa lapho each and every day kwenziwa ingoma entsha and sometimes unokuthi uhleli ngaleso sikhathi leso umele ukuthi uvaye dlala ibheat elimnandi no uyahamba ngabo ma 3 lapha ekseni or ne possibility ukuthi ungahamba ekseni
to me like being under Lokshin Hustle music khona izinto bezisemahlomeni wethu ezabofezela sisonke but now yabona in terms of ukuthi ama visuals abantu bawathola njani it's no longer our issue thina nje into emele sifocus phezulu is bad
Mabeza azange beze ngare ngileyana ukuthi no siyazi akekho umuntu okaziyo nami I learn a lot from them as well yangithola sometimes ngicabanga something ngithi ampana bona masingashaya sona so ingaphuma yangithola untwana afika that no man masingatshintsha la ngaba yangithola and then iba into grand like sispana as a team even when we record
bengakacedi la which was like ngibonga isponsor yakho Brian like like your dedication yakho phezulu kwisponsor yakho yiyo like yenza ukuthi nathi
out there senza ama superstars
like push each and every day
and to add like ukuba no Sanza ne K4F shoes like since sihlangene nabo ngomsebenzi umsebenzi wethu ubonisa abantu abaningi yeah
I'm in my niggas and we're turning up on Tuesday. And I realize my gang a produce. Mama see that little bila come Tuesday. Kona tina see ya winner yola lose. From Slanga section B where I be. In the east to my G's where I be. From Slanga section B where I be. In the east to my G's where I be. Yeah, hey. Wamhlanga section B where I be. In the streets with my G's ducking deals. Wamhlanga section B where I be. In the east with my G's blowing trees. Sting ting no pull my pee. Acting mean in the streets while you bitch. I'm with my niggas and we turn up on that Tuesday. Renaviala my gang a open Tuesday. I freestyle go to style some sadura. Squama some skimuti banjanga go die. My cakes flying jong of fanta watukai. Lokshin Hustle gang last year roll. I'm in my niggas and we're turning up on Tuesday. Renaviala my gang a produce. Mama sita libu bila come Tuesday. Kona tina see ya winner yola lose. From Slanga section B where I be. In the east to my G's where I be. From Slanga section B where I be. In the east to my G's where I be.
Bona a group of people from Lokshin with different kinds of styles. Basebenzisana wonke and bazwana. It's really much great because according to my understanding, Lokshin Hustle is not just a record label whereby they just do music. It's a family. It's a family. So it's big for me. Ubona amajita wentala is it different so and of different sounds. Even when there's something A1, a unique, babe good track A1 bonk. It's a big deal.
You know, these days, we send the listen to our simple, you know, to our social media, you know. I'll tell you more, I post that, you know, the video, your songs, whatever. You never know who's watching. But trust me, I can tell you this. These people, they do watch.
Mare 2 times 2 is 4. Nakashabuka kolwiki nyaka 4x4. That's why for the nyukunga will sacrifice. So this time I wanna feature butang sacrifice. I'll punya masoba getsenele. Got the flow man I'm wavy like Deben. Musi my money for the chele. Then I can start from the top and all angles.
It was just an idea I had to say, hey, jogging lockdown, no? I can't go to studio. I can't interact with the people via the gigs, performing, just going out, you know. I can't interact with my people no more. So how do I keep my contact with my people? I'm a pianist causing a wave. You know, Kimokasi. I'm a piano. Just the beginning of lockdown was just like the hype of Amapiano, you know, this is where Amapiano is stepping up to the scene now, and then we got cut. I'm like, okay, I rap, but I also listen to Amapiano because we work us. So, I can interact with these people online. My people show like huge response via the online things and everything. You know, I know how to maneuver around with them. So, I think rap is with piano. I actually discovered the name like 2 or 3 episodes later. After I started. Beginning of my episode, I was like, okay, I'm gonna call these the rap piano sessions because now I'm rapping when I'm a piano songs and everything.
I'm recently rapping one of my piano songs, man. I call it rap piano. Listen to this. Boy, forget saying calling Jabul Siakipeka sina machita show fakers. Today is an amazing day. I still you kiss it cause then I celebrate. Kohisha mpasu ntabuta the hunters. Sagnola spanuk suge mini thought jumpers. Had a good feeling but today since last night. Never miss betting money like it's for a spandiard. Na fele it was you. You the one that took my heart and put such a you. I couldn't say a word. But that's the ones on game and let the bullets for scuba. Him don't know what the freedom kind of woman too. If you seeing me and choosing me over all these gurus. Now tell him Bobby's gonna put a ring on it. On the bars every day is that your phone ringing.
It's something I started at the beginning of lockdown. When I was like 21 days lockdown, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this for 21 days. Initially that was the plan. 7 episodes in, no more. You know, this lockdown thing was strenuous. So but then I had the spirit, I had the will. I kept on doing something else, but just to keep the people at bay, you understand?
Like a star from the top and all angles. I to Bula magazine, I go suffer in Dal. Bona magazine, I plan bank glove. Staring some film on Mutokang Sat. On the paper chase, then I got to pass that.
Kesta I did after Foka did Kesta.
Okay.
I was madly inspired because now it was after Tontar, it was after Tontar. But not immediately after Tontar, you know. A couple of days or a week later, Foka does Kesta. You know, Foka is one huge inspiration to me, you understand? So after he did Kesta, I retweeted Kesta, that freestyle, you know. I was like, yo, this guy doesn't know how much he inspires me, you know. He replied to that specific tweet. He was like, bless. I was like, yo, I immediately got back to that mood. Rap piano now, you understand? Of those episodes that Inge was she in Lane.
And on Facebook, I want to put my pen on my police, and then I'm like, what's going on, guys? Because I want to pop my pen on my police. They're trending like on Facebook, so there must be something that's happening. I want. So I check and just posting a story, so I could read. My police retweeted the video. I got pop my pen.
Bong's Cafe calls me in the morning. It's like, Endo, get over Twitter, you're trending. DJ Maporisa posted you. I'm like, yeah? How? He hangs up. Immediately when I hang up, I have my screen there. 14 missed calls. You know, people who have never called me before, I have the numbers. I'm like, I'm watching you. But you know what I'm saying? But yeah, just waking up to a lot of phone calls. Like, missed calls, texts. My WhatsApp is going crazy. I jump into WhatsApp. I'm like, hey, what the hell is going on? Get me 876 retweets and I get this guy in studio. Him look. Hey, wash my thought. 10 minutes later, it's 500 retweets. Inboxes me. He's like, yo, pass me your number. Where you from?
I want to pop young phone here. It's like, Intanga. Mangathi sivai semi-trend, no. Uzothina, I was like, hey, bra, usabuza sivai.
Ethi ngathi siphithiphithi ngithi ukuhlafunya amabhithi bese ngibamba ihang fasteri boy angisho lijikile levili angiqala ungibolekela ikiwi ngithi ukupholisha leskill nathi sikwazi ukufika ebumnandini sizenzele wethu imcibi ayicava indongontono yabakhotha cava indongontono yabaluma ayicava amabhodlela nesimvuda ayicava nice honey zomayishuba ayicava indongontono yabakhotha ayicava indongontono yabaluma ayicava amabhodlela nesimvuda ayicava drip drip omayishuga ayicava drip drip juluka sip sip jabula drip drip juluka sip sip jabula drip drip juluka sip sip jabula
I don't know what he said. I don't know what Chalug means. Chalug. I don't know what he said. I don't know what it means, but it sounds fine.
Shout out to Lungster, hey. Ulungelo, uyazazi. Shout out to Lungster. Like ibeki stamp ukuthi okay manje sivalekile because of lockdown blah blah blah, but the sound we're making is international. The music we're making is international for the fact that ihlanyisa abantu ngara states itholi reaction ngara states kwamhlanga, you understand, eMpumalanga South Africa bakhuluma ngayi states, that's big.
Even after drip, you know, I called the DJ Mapuris. I was like, man, you know the ins and the outs, you know what happens, like you have more experience than I do, basically. You know a whole lot more that I don't know. So you gave me drip julu. You know, you gave me the spotlight, basically, you know. So how do I take it from here? What do I do? What is it that I should do now to make sure that I don't fall off, or, you know, just to keep myself focused? And can you please just help me get through that phase? Or, okay, now my career is elevating. Now, what is it that I should do? You know, because I want to do things right eventually. At the end of the day, I mean, you know, I want to do things right by myself. You know, so, and I won't be able to do that alone. You know, I'm gonna need as much help as I can, as much guidance as I can. So, OG, you know, OG was like, yo, don't worry, I got you, and true, he's been all of that ever since, you know.
I cover ndongontono yabakhotha, cover ndongontono yabaluma, I cover mabhodlela nesimvuda, I cover nice honey zomayishuga, I cover ndongontono yabakhotha, I cover ndongontono yabaluma, I cover mabhodlela nesimvuda, I cover drip drip omayishuga, I will cover drip drip juluka sip sip jabula drip drip juluka sip sip jabula drip drip juluka sip sip jabula drip drip juluka sip sip jabula
ngathi aduphuma ekuruleni or Soweto or Alexander, you know what I mean? And then when I heard he's from Mpumalanga, I was like, I'm mhlawumbe like Jozi. So you didn't grow up here?
I grew up in Mpumalanga. Hey.
No, my man.
I'm still in Mpumalanga.
No, we're proud of you, my man. Congratulations. You know, when you're still new and you're dropping your first song, we wouldn't have done such a long interview. We're doing it so long because we also believe in your future. So take advantage of this opportunity that Mapurisa has given you. Run with it. He's not going to be there with you every day or for you there every day. He's just giving you the key to come into the industry. What you do with it and how you look after yourself, it's up to you. And in future, whatever happens, don't be coming back to blame Maphorisa, because you should be thanking him. He's the man that opened the door for you. What you do afterwards, if you take certain decisions, and I device blame him. So what I'm trying to say is make sure that you are taking the right decisions. You might never know. So even if you make mistakes, don't worry. It's a part of learning. But also know that Bob Mapena has endorsed you. So you've got big shoes to fill, and you must step up to the occasion. We're proud of you and all the best, yeah?
Baisusa bafana Ophuma silo nyakutshela nezama sithukwana Siboma mame impeka phe Chitheke igazi bokhuzo sikhuthe Ningasukeli Khuza abafana bangifaka igezi ngoba Impi fikile bafana Impi Hlomihlasela Impi fikile bafana Impi Hlomihlasela Mayihlomihlase kutsa madoda mangithukuthela yokhala madoda umongameli oRamaphosa impa ikaphela vukile amasoja khuzani baba baba khuzana babantwana bakho thina siyobaqeda ngengubo washo nosishava kashami indlalifa baba watsameni bayocela usizi baba ngiyakutshela ngoba what the hits we got playing saving you heat come with your beef basile sibayeni nami inkosi ngisize ngoba nami ngizoke ngifike insizwa qatshwe ngomkhonto kashaka ngizibulele imbuzi evidence is phansi fikile ubhobi ngiyoshiya bekhaya basusa impi bangayazi ngisho impala basukela bayisusa abafana uphuma silo ngiyakutshela nezama sithukwana siboma mameli impa ikapheli chitheke igazi bokhuzo sikhuthe ningasukeli khuza abafana bangifaka igezi ngoba Impi fikile bafana Impi Hlomihlasela Impi fikile bafana Impi Hlomihlasela
Angeke ngithisele bosana Ngeke ngithisele bobhala kancane Ingimalume ngikhuza abajani Sekusikhathana bangithatha kancane They doing music for the fun Mina indwele nangayithoma ngimncane Angitsho wami ubaba ngimazi Bona bangibiza ngosana ofekani Pulling Libby at the same time son low Chisebusika uhlangahlangene I send tripping at the same time son low Fika intombi secharake I'm coming from itere futhi Coming from cold nights with no food Nasesikhoma bathi sikhumela futhi Masesibola bayaloya bafuthe
Sinahlasela ufuna into yokuthenga vuka sebenza nameva lendlela iyahlaba caphela iswetsha lifele empini fethu lalela never surrender trust me through lakho liyeza kucandadolo ngembobo uzongena
kusukela bayisusa abafana
The future